Alright, today I have another tech unboxing. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Apple Watch Series 7. I picked this up during Amazon Prime Day, which is July 12th and the 13th. And it was discounted for a pretty good price, so I thought I would pick one up. I currently have the Apple Watch Series 3, so I thought it was time for an upgrade. And yeah, let's get into the unboxing. So my mom also got an Apple Watch, so I'll put this one aside. And yeah. So here we have the Apple Watch Series 7. This is the Midnight aluminum case with the Midnight Sport band in the 45mm size. Comes in this rectangle case or box, very nicely packaged. Just says Apple Watch on the front. So here's the watch face, and here is the band. All right, let's open the band first. This is the small size band. Or this is the small and medium size. And then this is the medium and large. I'll probably use a small and medium because my wrist is pretty small. Now let's open the watch face. This is the charger. And we got the watch face in this tiny little case. Here's a size-by-size comparison. My Apple Watch Series 3 is 38 millimeters, and this new Apple Watch Series 7 is 45, so a 7 millimeter difference. All right, now it's syncing, so this might take a while. All right, it's done syncing. Alright, that's it for the unboxing. Hope you guys enjoyed.